So here we are inside the PowerApps home tab. So this is the first layout that you can see inside this home tab. There are so many options are available. I mean, you can start from blank app, then Dataverse, SharePoint, Excel, so on and so forth. Today our topic is on chatbot. So you can see here at the left panel there is one item already available named chatbots. So let's go there and let's see what is that. So you can see here inside this chatbots there is a create option. Click on that and you'll be getting into this page with this new chatbot option. You can also see here it's mentioned over there like create intelligent no code chatbots. So you don't need any coding expertise over there. And interestingly, you can build this with NLP, natural language processing. You can see the magic over here. I mean the power of PowerApps, that without any code we can able to build one AI enabled, NLP enabled chatbots. It's interesting, no? So let's go ahead. Once you will click there, you will get into the next page. So this is the first pop-up window you can get post that action, where you need to set your country, region. I am using here trial version, so you can use your company profile or maybe your school profile or business profile to create this account, and you can go ahead with this free trial. So your bot template is getting loaded. Just wait for a few minutes and here it is. You are now in your bot page. This is the design page where you can design your bot and also you can test. Here you can see there are 3 windows, I would say. On the left panel there is the options like home, topics, entities, analytics, publish and manage. In the middle one there is a test bot window. This is for testing your bot. While designing, developing, you can test your bot through this window. This is interactive. The extreme right one is the template, or some of the examples are available. So you can start with that template or existing examples and you can go ahead and modify the things. So you can see here the shopping cart template is already there, and there are so many other things also. So whenever you are going to create your bot, you have to start with the topics, right? So the topic is kind of the triggering point for your bots. So in the left panel, you can see the topic option over there. Let's click on these topics. Now you can see at the right side panel, there are existing topics are available. These are some of the inbuilt topics. You can open those things and modify according to your requirement. List of topics are available. First one is the simple topic. If you will go and click on these things, go to details, you will end up with this screen where all this workflow will be mentioned over there. If your bot is very simple, you can go ahead with this template and you can just need to modify the thing. So this is for topic with condition and variable. If you need to create your bot like multiple options, I mean you are expecting some response from the user, and depending on that response, depending on the options, you can have different paths. In that case, this could be your case. The third one is little bit advanced one. This is a topic with condition, variables and pre-built entity. So you can see here we are asking some questions and then conditions is coming over there. We are storing that things in the variable and so on and so forth. And we'll be going ahead with this lesson 3, the third one, topic with condition, variables and pre-built entity. Okay. So as I have already mentioned that your starting point for your bot will be triggering point, right? So here is the triggering point and I need to modify the things, because we are building something for the product return and exchange type of cases. So here I can delete the existing one and place my triggering point. So let's add new phrase over there like return item and exchange item. So I have mentioned that this bot will be NLP enabled. right? So whatever triggering point we are setting over here, the bot will search for this triggering point while user will interact with this bot, and anything nearer to this phrase it will pick up as action item or triggering point. I will show you these things in my demo down the line. For now, my triggering point has been set for exchange item, return item, purchased item and order product. So let's move to the next action point, which is message, where bot will interact with the customer. So I am happy to help you, something like that welcome message. Next one is the question. As I am using one existing template, so it is picking the things from there on. I am going to change the things over here from the shipping to my product. Change these things to do you want to return or exchange the things. Now interesting fact over here inside this identity, you can see there are so many options are available, right? So you can go for single line answer from the user, or maybe multiple choice options, then age, boolean, city, so many options. In this case, whenever we are asking the user that they want return or exchange, so we will go for these multiple choice options where we will give these options to user to select. I mean, either they can go for return or exchange. Let's select this one. Now you can see that options for users are coming. Here you can type that option like return and exchange, and you can add that. Whatever you will add over here, that will come as options. So one option I have added. The second one is for the exchange. Now two options are there. Now as this is got inherited from the template, so the existing one is available. So I will delete all these old existing options. There are two options available at this moment for us. Two conditions, that is return and exchange. Let's start with the return. So the next message that we'll set for the return will be like this. Because for return we don't need much information from the user, right? So our pickup person will go there and collect that material from the user. So that's why I'm mentioning like this way. This is the message. No more question being asked for the user. Another point, so you can see here the plus icon. So if you click there, you will get these options, right? Like you can ask a question or action. That action can be of anything. You can shoot some mails, you can create some incident, anything and everything, right? Or show a message, the same thing that we have done for the return thing. Can redirect to another topic and end the conversation. That means end of your interaction with the bot. So anything you can choose. Now, as this is going to be the exchange case, we'll be asking some question to the customer. Let's go for ask a question. Now we are asking to the customer that the product they want as exchange with the same size or color or not. Now here can be two things, right? So customer can go for the same product, might be the existing one having some issues with that, and they just want to exchange with the same size and color. And another option could be they just want to change the size or color of that material, right? So that's why we are keeping these two options, yes and no. So now you can see here that the customer will reply to that option and it will get stored to that variable. Depending on that reply, now we'll figure out the next course of action. You can see here that from this var text or from that above condition, we are now creating two new paths. One condition for yes, another condition for no. And mind it, we are not writing any code as of now. So let's say customer is telling you that they don't want to change the color or size. I mean, same product they want, only the exchange they want. In that case also it will be simple, like our pickup person will go there and collect the things. No more questions asked. Now if it is no, then we need to ask few questions. Two questions could be over here. One is that customer is looking for the size exchange or the color. In the option, we are making it color and size. Okay, so once you will capture this information, then you can send your courier person to collect the things, and finally that's the things we are doing. We are just placing one message after collecting all this information. Once finally everything is done, we need to end this conversation. Okay, so you can do it like end with survey or end with or transfer to agent. So we have mentioned like end with survey. That means once this interaction will be over, this bot will automatically collect the survey from the customer. How interesting it is. Similar ways we need to end the conversation for all the parts. I hope you got the things now, and now I will display with the demo how this bot will interact. See, now in the test bot I am testing the things that I have problem with the order. See here the magic of this intelligent bot. The bot is inviting me with this welcome message and then asking me the question, do you want return or exchange? This is the one we set up as the triggering point. You can see the two options are also available, return and exchange. Let's select return. Now we are getting the message that the pickup person will contact us to collect that material. The following question this bot is asking, did that answer your question? If you select yes, then and then it's ending the things with survey. It's asking you to rate the bot, rate the chat between 1 to 5. So I am typing something else because I am not selecting anything, and that's why it's telling me, sorry, I did not get that. Please enter a number from 1 to 5 because we have asked this bot to collect that survey. How intelligent this one. Let's now give some number. Let's say 2. Now it is satisfied with this answer. I just want to check it the other path. Now I am mentioning like issue with order. Again the same question, return or exchange? This time exchange. Do you want same product with same size and color? Let's say no. Then it is asking the reason for exchange, color or size. We have selected color. Please select a color. So this is the way we have built one chatbot without a single line of coding, which is so much intelligent to collect your information and interact with you. This is the power of low code and no code. This is just the beginning. So many things are there. It's very interesting world. So stay tuned and thanks for your time and patience.